Good morning, all of you. So, welcome back for the IQM lecture. So, last lecture we have started chapter number 3, leading and controlling. Okay, so already we have completed three managerial functions. Okay, planning, organizing, staffing, and last two is leading and controlling. Okay, so already we have started. So, what we have discussed in last lecture. So, what is the leading definition of leading? So, what is the difference between boss and leader? Okay, everyone should think on that. Okay, so then only you will get a greater respect, or you will be eligible, or whatever you will handle that post as a leader. Okay, in future. So different human factors, what is required for get living quality. So already this I have discussed. So we will start motivation. So what is motivation? So without motivation we can't start work as compared to the whatever given to you. Okay, so motivation is very important. Self motivation. So there are different types of motivation. So if in management language, for the motivation different theories are there. Okay, so what is motivation is a general term applying to the entire class of drives, desires, needs, wishes, and similar forces. This is nothing but the motivation. So what is the duty as a motivation, consideration of the motivation? Managers motivate their subordinates. Okay, is to say that they do things which they hope will satisfy these drives and desires and induce the subordinates to act in desired manner. So whatever work we have given to that person with motivation, if you will give motivation to them, definitely work will done. Okay, in future very as well as good as well as better. Okay, as compared to uh, directly given the work. Okay, so because why motivation is required, if you will give motivation to each and every subordinate, so then that particular subordinate will very happy, okay, while doing the work. Okay, why? Because our boss or our leader has given motivation to us, so definitely the impact of that motivation will be on work. Okay, so everyone should think on that. As manager position you have to give motivations. Okay, so basically in management language there are number of motivational theories. Okay, so number of scientists they have designed the number of theories. Okay, we are generally we don't know what are the whether the theories are present for the motivation, but number of theories are present in motivation. Okay, so which type of motivation? In our general language, we will take a congratulation, we will take good morning, good afternoon, sir. Okay, so that is also very whatever the as per our culture, Indian culture. So many factors, many events are related to the motivation. Okay, but that motivational theories are for the entire world. Okay, so these motivations theories are followed by the entire world or in management sector. Okay, so we will also try to study that theories, but for our syllabus only one theory is there. Okay, and one uh, only two theories are there: Maslow's need theory and carrot and stick theory. Okay, but we will take a very short discussion about other theories also. Okay, so basically motivation theories are divided into two types: content theories and process theories. Okay, so there are four content theories and four process theories. So content theories is nothing but whatever the methodology they have given. Okay, and process is nothing but they also done whatever the process which will be required, which will be followed for the motivation. Okay, so if you will study the whatever first motivation theory, so we will get an idea what are the basically theories are there. Okay, so first theory is a content theory, and which is Maslow's needs hierarchy. Okay, so in content theory there are four, already we have discussed this point in chat also. Okay, so we will not come here. Now let's start Maslow's need hierarchy theory. Okay, this is for our syllabus also. Now what Maslow says, Maslow is a whatever our management scientist. Okay, we can say that are academicians. Okay, so Maslow has given one hierarchy. Okay, for the motivation. So according to Maslow, Maslow says that there are the five functions or 5 point. That point is very important for the motivation for each and every person in organization. Okay, so if you see here, this is a hierarchy. First point is self actualization. Second, self esteem status, belongingness and love, safety and security, and psychological needs. Okay, only Maslow have discussed or given five topics. Okay, in terms of hierarchy. Now, in topmost, they have written, they have given फर्स्ट पॉईंट इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट फॉर द मोटिवेशन, सेल्फ ॲक्च्युलायझेशन. ओके, म्हणजे आतून पेटा आपल्या मराठी भाषेमध्ये. ओके, म्हणजे मोटिवेशन जगामध्ये कोणी करू अगर नको, पण तुम्ही स्वतः पहिल्यांदा मोटिवेट असणं गरजेचं आहे. मास्लो हेच सांगतोय. ओके, मास्लो ऑल्सो हॅव गिवन दॅट ओनली factor. So self-actualization is very important. Now what is self-actualization? Realization of potential and abilities. Whatever we are having already, is it right? There is a first point for motivation. Whatever we are having, so that will be the motivation. Now what is our motivation? Okay, take an example of yourself. Now we are the engineering student. Okay, ऐका नाही तुम्ही बघा, असाल तर असाल, आहेत ना, 100% आहे आपण, बरोबर का? ऍडमिशन जर घेतलेलं आहे, 4थं वर्ष संपत आलं, म्हणजे वी विल बी द इंजिनियर. ओके, विदिन 5 to 6 months. नाव कम्पेअर टू अदर. बघा, आता मी नेहमी सांगतो विद्यार्थ्यांना की तुमच्या गावात किती इंजिनियर असतील असे, गावाची लोकसंख्याच्या कम्पेअर टू 0.1 मध्ये पण नसणार आहेत, किंवा 1.2 पॉईंट असतील. ओके, बट दिस इज ऑल्सो मोटिवेटेड फॉर अस ना. म्हणजे 4,000 लोकसंख्या असेल, 5,000 असेल, तर त्यात एक 4-5 असतील, आता थोडे वाढले असतील, पण दिस इज ऑल्सो अवर मोटिवेशन. ओके, वी आर हॅव्हिंग व्हेरी ग्रेट डिग्री. ओके, म्हणजे आता ते काय म्हणतो आपण त्याला, वी शुड बी फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मोटिवेटेड फ्रॉम युअर सेल्फ. ओके, सो थिंक ऑन दॅट वेअर वी आर. ओके, so as compared to the others, we have to compare first of all with yourself, then and then only you will get motivated. आता तुम्ही जर म्हणत बसला काय नाही इंजिनिअरिंग करून चुकलो, जर असं म्हटला, झालं तिथेच पंक्चर झाला तुम्ही. ओके, पुढे भविष्यात तुम्ही काय करणार इंजिनियर म्हणून? ओके, सो दिस इज अ व्हेरी व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. निगेटिव्ह होण्यासाठी किंवा तुम्हाला डिमोटिवेट करण्यासाठी जग 100% पडलेलं आहे, बरोबर का? म्हणजे एंटायर वर्ल्ड -1, तुम्ही सोडून जगातले सगळे तुम्हाला मागं वाढायलाच बघणार आहेत. ओके, तुम्हाला डिमोटिवेट करायला बघणार आहेत. हां, त्यात तुम्ही पण मिसळले तर चालतंय का? ओके, सो दॅट विल बी व्हेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर आवर मोटिवेशन ऑर फॉर आवर वॉट एव्हर द बिहेवियर आर फॉर आवर प्रोग्रेस. ओके, म्हणजे नेहमी लक्षात ठेवायचं काय, स्वतःला मोटिवेशन दिलं पाहिजे आपण, तर काय तुम्हाला डिमोटिवेट करण्यासाठी. सो मास्लो ऑल्सो गिवन दॅट फॅक्टर ओनली. ओके, मास्लो म्हणजे आता त्यानं ऑन पेपर आणलं, बरेच साहित्यिक सांगून गेलेत आपल्याला की सेल्फ मोटिवेटेड आपण प्रत्येक जण असलं पाहिजे. ओके, सो नाउ दिस इज द फर्स्ट पॉइंट ऑफ दी मास्लो. सो सेल्फ ॲक्च्युलायझेशन, what are we are positive point. So with that positive point, with that initiative quality, you should be motivated from yourself. Okay, so each and every employee will whatever that point is eligible for all the employee or all the person in organization. प्रत्येकाला स्वतः कॉन्फिडन्स झालं पाहिजे. What is the duty of manager? So you have to realize them. Okay, as a manager we have to realize them. So what are the your self actualization? Okay, प्रत्येकाने तुम्ही सांगितलं पाहिजे तुमच्या एम्प्लॉयला, मॅनेजर ॲज अ मॅनेजर, हां तुमच्यामध्ये अशा बऱ्याच छुप्या कल्पना असतात. ओके, सो वॉट एव्हर द सेल्फ मोटिवेशन. ओके, नाव सेकंड पॉईंट इज अ सेल्फ इस्टीम स्टेटस. ओके, डेफिनेटली दॅट विल बी ऑल्सो हेल्पफुल फॉर आवर प्रोग्रेस ऑर मोटिवेशन. सेल्फ एस्टीम, व्हॉट इज एस्टीम? वॉट एव्हर द प्रशंसा म्हणतो आपण त्याला. ओके, सेल्फ एस्टीम स्टॅटस. नाव वॉट एव्हर द स्टॅटस, प्रमोशन्स, रिस्पेक्ट. नाव how we will motivated with the help of second point, self esteem. When now whether your status in entire world, okay, whether your in industry is, suppose for example your industry where you are working is very well known industry or MNC industry, so then and only you will get motivated. म्हणजे एवढ्या एक जागतिक लेवलच्या कंपनीमध्ये मी काम करतोय, जेव्हा नावाजलेल्या संस्थेमध्ये मी काम करतोय, so that will be also sufficient for the motivation ना. अकॉर्डिंग टू द स्टेटस ऑफ वी आर हॅव्हिंग. ओके, ज्या इंडस्ट्रीमध्ये आहे किंवा वॉट एव्हर द पोस्ट यू आर हॅव्हिंग, सपोज आय एम अ मॅनेजर, आय एम अ प्रोफेसर, सो दॅट इज नथिंग बट द स्टेटस ना. सो दॅट स्टेटस विल सफिशियंट फॉर द मोटिवेशन. ओके, सो देर आर नंबर ऑफ थिंग्स. ओके, with the help of that things we will get motivated. Okay, so whatever that scientist is given, so sequence number. Okay, but they have given top priority to the self actualization. Okay, so keep in mind this is a very important factors. Okay, so next point is self esteem is nothing but we have covered the status. Now next is a promotion. Suppose you will get promotion. Okay, suppose you will get chance to work with whatever the new post, okay, or top level management, so that will also get motivated. Okay, that will also sufficient, or that will also get motivation for that organization. If respect, okay, suppose if you are having manager chair, okay, so number of employee will give respect to you, so that will also get motivation. Okay, so these factors is very important for the motivation. Okay, so keep in mind as an employee, as a manager, so both side you have to think on that. Okay, so now next is the rages. Okay, so what is the rages is nothing but whatever the uh, level. Okay, so whatever the position you are having, okay, so that will also get self esteem, whatever the for your industry good grades, whatever the for example as like different awards. Okay, as per different काय म्हणतो बऱ्याच इंडस्ट्रीमध्ये असे असतात की ते विल गेट 1 मिनिट. Okay. So friends, there is some placement talk. Okay. So you will join that placement talk. So please your roll number message here. Okay, message your roll number. So we will stop here. So we will continue that part, remaining part in next lecture. Okay. So all of you paste your roll numbers and you can left. Okay, and join whatever the placement activity. Yeah? So don't go here and there. So whatever the schedule we will get, so I will send that schedule on WhatsApp also. Okay, so thank you very much for the attending this lecture.